Good day everyone! For today's video, I am going to share to you how I make a dream catcher. So first, what is dream catcher? Dream catcher is a small hook containing a horsehair mesh or similar to a string or yarn decorated with beads and feathers. Dream catchers are said to originated in Native American Indians. So dream catchers are believed to give their owner a good dreams instead of bad dreams, since the web of the dream catcher was believed to catch the bad dreams. So I guess we'll enjoy this dream catcher making in this video. So I hope you'll enjoy. So let's go and start making the dream catcher. The materials needed are yarn, scissors, feathers, bead in the holder, ball pen, and lastly cardboard or folder. So now let me discuss the meaning of my dream catcher's design. Let's start from its holder. So its holder has the face of Buddha. So Buddha has the meaning of enlightened, which is attained by utilizing morality. Now let us talk about its web, which is purposely at the center to catch bad dream. The bead on my dream catcher represents a good dream, and the function of the feathers on the tail of the dream catcher filters the good dream. So that's it for today and for this video. I hope you enjoy and I hope you learned something about the Native American Indians culture and beliefs. So yes, that's how we make our dream catcher. So thank you for watching. God bless.